Hey, what's up guys, John here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm an IT specialist, and on my YouTube channel I'll be posting videos about Microsoft Office application, programming and graphic design every Tuesday of the week. You will learn how to use Office applications, and to have this tool work its magic, the first thing that you have to do is to enable it or turn it on in Microsoft Word, as it is usually turned off by default. The basics of programming. As well as graphic design. Be sure to subscribe for more content. Leave a comment below to introduce yourself.